Hi, my name is Jill Yesko, and I'm the owner of Discover Organizing. We are based in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania in the United States. We specialize in residential organizing, photo organizing, and senior downsizing and transition. We've been in business since 2003, and we've gone through a lot of changes, and I wanted to kind of help other professional organizers understand a little bit more how to scale up and grow. There are going to be 4 major areas that we're going to work on. We're going to learn the difference between growth and scaling up. It's a big difference. We're going to talk about the 5 key components that you need to have in your business before you even think about scaling up. Then we're going to talk about diversifying your services. How can you make money staying in your swim lanes but in the same pool? That's going to be a very important way to grow your profits. And also how mindset itself about thinking big will actually impact the bigness of your success. I think my presentation style will be very good for you because it will be fun and engaging, and it's more like a workshop. It's very hands-on. And I do have a lot of slides, but I promise you they're fun slides. Speaking of fun, I want to tell you a fun fact about myself is that I just learned how to surf about 5 years ago at the ripe old age of 45. I am now 50 and I am having a blast out in the ocean. So I guess speaking of oceans, I can't wait to cross the Atlantic so that I can meet you guys and learn how to organize from your perspective. I think there's always something that we can be learning, and I look forward to learning from you.